go. Here we 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 go.
All right, so the confusion with the VA home loan, right? Veterans, this is a loan guarantee designed, and service members, you can do it while you're in, to get you a house, right? It's not no scam. It's not, don't get me wrong, there's people out there taking advantage of this, but you have to know your sources that you're getting this stuff from, right? Usually, just leave it to a .gov or .org. Don't be going to these .com websites. People make all this stuff up. Anyways, so 20% is to prevent you from paying that 20% down payment,
your
right?
down payment, right.
And as someone who has the VA home loan, I wanted to especially use this because you have experience.
Right.
And I wanted you to explain to them that the VA home loan is not designed to mess with them or prevent them from getting loans.
Totally not.
But here's also what I've came to realize that is causing people to feel this way. So you know how the VA home loan is, it's a guarantee, but lenders do not like it. So that's what causes the problems.
Well,
they
it
don't
depends
like
on the lender.
Right.
So what you should do is go online and look for financial institutions that handles VA loans. This is a guaranteed loan. More lenders are falling in place because it's guaranteed now 100% by the government. So they're going to get their money is the point.
Regardless of what happens.
So here's what it is. You don't have to worry about the down payment. You don't have to come up with that big nutshell. And 20% and the average home is at $400,000.
Yeah.
Do the math.
That's
That's $80,000.
That most people do not have to pay down
Exactly.
on a house. Come on.
So if you don't have $80,000 sitting around, you're not getting in a home where the average home is $400,000. So there's a problem.
Right.
So it goes to zero.
Yep.
You no longer have to worry about that down payment.
And I would like to stress, he has used it.
Yep.
So he's not just saying this stuff.
I'm not just saying it. I'm telling you. So another thing, what you will have to pay for is appraisal. Roughly about $600-700. Depends on where you are, your area, whatever it is. You have to pay. There's closing costs. That's the one thing you have to come up with, closing costs. But even that, you can work with the seller with. You can do different things that way you can actually secure a loan very well and march into a beautiful home and not end up homeless.
Yep.
It does work.
It absolutely does work.
By the way, and it's not age discriminating.
Nope.
How? I'm not a young spring chicken, but I recently got one. Did I just say that?
Yes.
A young spring chicken. Delete.
No. You got to keep that. I'm not a young spring chicken. Oh, my God. The VA home loan also has extremely, extremely competitive low interest rates. That's one of the things
That's another thing.
No other loan can guarantee you
a low interest rate, which means your monthly will be lower.
Yep.
So what you're looking at is and I use 400,000 as an average. That's here in the Northeast. Maybe in your area, it's might cheaper. Be 250. But they're not. I don't know too many places in the U.S. right now that's below 250.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know too many, and if it is, it's probably a home that's gonna need massive repairs.
Yeah.
So,
also, they do that.
Exactly.
So if you find a house,
yep,
they're ready to get veterans into any house. So they'll do a reconstruction loan?
A reconstruction loan, which is equivalent to the civilian 203K loan. A 203K loan is a loan that you get at the selling price plus its value after you have rehabbed it.
Right.
So let's just say if a home is $150,000 and you got to put in an extra $100,000 into it to bring it. That's where the value. Right. That's where the true value is gonna be. They're gonna start from. They're not gonna start from the 150, the selling price. So you will get that. I'm talking. I know for a 203K loan, the civilian loan, they give you the money over time. And I believe that's the same way the VA. When I say over time, they let you purchase the home, and you have to have certified contractors, of course. And those contractors would then, you don't get the money. The contractors will come to you. It probably come in your name, but you have to give it to the contractor or so. And it goes directly to them because they want to make sure that that loan is going towards what you say it's for.
Yes.
So you could do a lot with a home. You know, as a value, you could get it to value up.
Right. As long as it has good bones.
Right.
You can find a house, they'll pay for you to redo it so you can live in. Because like I said,
that's one of the loans I was thinking of doing prior to getting the house.
Yeah, you were thinking of that.
Yeah, because I was like, and I saw a home that I wanted to do, add on my, and it was in a very nice neighborhood.
Yeah.
And but couldn't get the woman to move. She would not move.
All right, guys. For the VA home loan, all you need is a satisfactory credit score, sufficient income to prove that you can make the mortgage, and a valid certification of eligibility, which you will get once you apply. And that is it. You don't need this fancy credit score, 800, whatever.
No.
Just need to be good enough, and you can prove that you can make your monthly payments. You'll be able to get your loan, your home loan guarantee.
And the better your credit, by the way, you will get a better rate.
Right.
That's obvious.
Yeah.
It does help.
It does.
It does help.
Please, you to stop listening to all these people. Honestly, go to va.gov. There's so much information there. You can just type in what you want to hear.
Correct.
Don't listen to these people on. I see the ads all the time. I get them in my emails. You want a home loan guarantee via Care? Don't do that.
Well, look at
it's a scam.
Great example. When I first started looking for a VA loan, someone I knew tried to charge me 3% more than what I end up paying. 3% more. I still would have qualified, but 3% more. My monthly would have been higher. You got to understand how much higher it would be. I'm like, and it just so happened I just shopped around and I found a lender who, and keep in mind, this person was not a direct lender.
Right.
He was like a mortgage company who then writes for a lender. So, of course, he got to add on his to get it. So when I went direct, I was able to get a way better deal.
Right. So shop around. Don't settle for one lender. You can shop around as many as you can to get the best rate necessary for you.
That's right. And you know me, I guard my credit with like it's Fort Knox. I don't play. It's like.
Yeah, you should.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Here we go! 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 Here we go!